Good morning, one and all. Children, how are you all? I hope all are doing good and safe at home. Children, today I will be showing you how to make math magazine. Our math magazine contains so many contents, but we will start our magazine with multiplication tables. Using some activities, we will show how to do the multiplication tables or how to learn tables very easily. These TLM means teaching learning materials, help you to understand the concepts very easily. Let's start our magazine. Today we are going to do mathematics magazine. For this, take a scrapbook and give the heading mathematics magazine. So now we are going to start our magazine with multiplication tables. So give the heading here, use your creativity. Multiplication tables. Okay. Now, so what you have to do is, so inside you can give any border. Okay. Give border neatly. Use your creativity. You can draw your own border. Otherwise, you can stick any, or else you can stick any tape like this as a border, and then give the heading. Okay. For each student, I am giving 2 tables. So I am going to show you how to do multiplication table of 5. Okay. So first of all, you have to write the multiplication table of 5 in 3 ways. Okay. First of all, write the number 5. Draw 5 like this, or you can cut it using a color paper, and then here write multiples of 5. 5, 10, which is nothing but 5 table. Okay, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay, and then we are going to do using a flower this multiplication table. Okay, so take cut a flower like this with 12 petals. Cut a flower like this with 12 petals. Okay, you have to make 2 of them. So like this, and what you have to do is you paste it like this. Paste the center point only. Okay. Yes. And you have to stick this in your scrapbook. Only the center one. Okay. Like this. Now, here. So 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. So like this you have to write the answer down of the flower. Okay. So this is one model. And another one is, so you know that multiplication is repeated addition. Okay. So you have to fold a paper and make 12 portions here and cut up to half only like this. Okay. And then here you have to stick it like this. The back portion you have to stick it in your scrapbook. Okay. Now at the top you have to write 5 ones are. Inside how many times? 5 one time only. So 5. Next 5 twos are, so 2 twice we are adding. So 5 plus 5, 10. 5 threes are, so how many times we are adding here? 3 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. So up to like that 12 you have to do. Okay. So this is the another method. Okay. And now what I am going to do is, now here you have to write the table. Give a neat border here. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. So like that 5 12s are 60 up to 12. Okay. So like this in 4 ways we are showing each table. So you can use this house model also. So in house model how to do? So draw a house like this and make small doors here. Okay, up 12 doors you have to make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, you have to stick this here. Stick the house here in your scrapbook. Okay, like this. Now this is multiplication table of the house of fours. The house of fours. So that means here we are doing 4 table. Okay. So 4 into 4 ones are inside you have to write 4. 4 twos are 8. Like that 4 threes are 12. So like this you have to cut the doors here. Okay. Open the doors and then write inside the number. Here 4 5s are 20. Okay. Like this you have to make house of 4. Okay. One more thing you can do. Smiley. Okay. So skip counting is nothing but multiplication tables only. Okay. So like this you can make skip counting for 2. So whatever table is given for you. Okay. So you have to do it like this and then paste it in your scrap. Only the head you have to paste. Okay. Yes. So paste it like this. Okay. So when you open it you can see this like this. Okay. And some more ideas I am giving to you. You can use caterpillar to writing the multiplication table. Okay. You can cut a caterpillar and you can paste it in your scrapbook. Okay. And another way like this flower also. So same you have to make 2. Like this you have to stick one to the scrapbook and the other one is only the circle. Okay. So when you open it 6 ones are under you can see the value. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12 like that. Okay. So these are some ideas to how to do multiplication tables. You can use your own creativity and you can do also, but do it very neatly. Okay, very neatly. You can give the borders to each and everyone. So here this flower also you can give borders. This table also you can give borders. So give borders, do it neatly and submit it to me. Thank you children.
Here you can see some models to make multiplication tables. Here you have house model, butterfly model, snail. So many models you have. Using these models you can do multiplication tables. Try to do it neatly. Submit it to me. Thank you children. Have a nice day. I hope you will compulsory enjoy this activity. Thank you.